one night before. Shambi! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's videos. So this video is gonna be about unboxing of my first ever guitar, and I'm so excited. That's why I'm recording this video one night before. Shambi! That's why I'm recording this video one night before, and I just checked my Amazon and it said that my guitar gonna be delivered tomorrow 9 p.m. I am so excited and I'm gonna edit that video in this video later. After recording this video, I'm gonna edit that video also. So it said that my guitar gonna be delivered 9 p.m. and I have to unboxing tomorrow night. I'm quite excited about my first ever guitar, you know the feeling. So I'm gonna give you my honest review and some tips how you can find a good guitar in your budget and that has long lifetime maybe, because I have trust on guitar. So I'm gonna give you price and all detail about my guitar in description, and I'm also gonna share my details when I'm gonna unbox my guitar. So you have to watch till the end. So if you interested in that tips, I'm gonna record tips video after unboxing my guitar, and I'm gonna also edit that video in the last of this video. So you have to watch till the end, and I know you're gonna watch this till the end. So, and if you don't subscribe yet, you have to subscribe my channel, because you have honest review and some helpful tips that I have experienced in my life. Yeah, full reality, not copy and paste, you know. So you have to subscribe my YouTube channel and click the bell icon for more videos. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, this is my Instagram, and you can follow me on Instagram and check out the latest update about me, my life and everything. Yeah, I will see you soon. Tomorrow I will record that video. So hey guys, it's 5 p.m. and this parcel is supposed to be delivered at 9 p.m. at night, but it's delivered 4 hours early, and thank God I did not go to my coaching center today. So here is parcel. This is my parcel and it's look huge, and let me put my phone in something and I will show you unboxing then. So let's unbox my parcel now. It's little bit damage from here, I don't know. So this is looking from June, and let me whoa. bill. So there was a bill of my guitar, and let's unbox my guitar. Da, 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 da. Whoa. Guys, look at this. Whoa. That was my guitar, and let me click some pics and then I will show you that next video. I will edit that. Let's unbox remaining part. So whoa, guys, my guitar. It was come with that bag. Whoa, it's nice. Clips, yeah, strings, and whoa, that's cool. That's cool. Let me check. So it has nothing. Let me. I'm going to set this. I don't know about guitar. But yeah, I'm gonna so yeah, this is my guitar. I'm so happy. Just ignore the background. I just try to set up the strings by myself, but let me check. I don't know. I'm so happy. Yeah. It also has model number. Let me show you. Here is its model number. Focus. Yeah. I don't know it's gonna work or not, but that was my first guitar. I'm so damn excited, and it was huge. Like, I can't hold. I will show you vocal cover and guitar cover later when I know how to play guitar. And yeah, that's all for unboxing video, and I will give you some tips for when you gonna buy your own guitar. I noticed first thing in this guitar, this part was not wooden, it was plastic, and I'm not sure about this part. And it also has truss rod in that part. That was the truss rod, and yeah, and it does not have clip in their backside, but for beginning I think it was great. Under 2700 you have this guitar, and I'm damn happy. It was my first guitar, and yeah, I'm happy. And that's all for today video. And you have to search first, or at least once, when you gonna buy your own guitar. I search a lot when I think about buying guitar, and I'm happy, and I hope I will show you some. I will not show you, I will record some videos in future and show you guys. I'm so damn excited. Bye. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like that. Small happiness. And see you guys soon. I hope I will upload some videos in future, maybe next month or this month. And so please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends if you like this video. Bye, see you soon.